Are you a pharma engineer who is curious about air handling units in a pharma clean room? Then this video is for you. In this video, you will learn about the 4 major sections of an air handling unit. Hi, I'm Omkar Tilve, a Cleanroom Engineering Coach, and I'm on a mission to empower India's pharmaceutical sector towards quality growth and compliance by creating a new breed of influential pharma engineers. And to make the most out of this video, I suggest you take your pen and paper and take notes like crazy, because when you listen and you write, that is when your retention level is much higher. So let's now deep dive into the 4 major sections of an AHU. So to begin with, first we'll see the concept of an air handling unit. Now, why is a standard air handling unit required? A standard AHU is required to circulate the air in a clean room while maintaining the desired parameters by reconditioning the air continuously in cycles. Now you can see that this is a bit of a complex definition, but I like to make simpler so that you can understand it in a much simpler manner and you can retain it for a longer time. And for this, you can remember this as the CMR of an AHU. Now, this definition is divided into 3 parts, which is: first, the AHU is used to circulate the air in a clean room while maintaining the desired parameters by reconditioning the air continuously in cycles. So now you can simply understand the definition of an AHU using the CMR model. And the main functions of an AHU is to maintain the cleanliness level of the clean room, to maintain the temperature in the clean room, to maintain the humidity of the clean room, and also to facilitate the mixing of the return air and the fresh air, which we'll see in the sections part. So this was the concept of a air handling unit. And now I want to know how many of you are really new to this concept of air handling units or never heard about the 4 sections of an AHU. If you are listening to this for the first time, type FT in the comment box, and I'll so that I can come to know how many of you were new to this concept. So now we'll see the 4 sections of an AHU. The first section is called the intake section or the mixing box. Now the intake section or the mixing box consists of a return air damper, a pre-filter for the return air, a fresh air damper, and a pre-filter for the fresh air. And to explain this or make you understand in a much simpler manner, I've created a 3D model of the AHU and I'll explain you these sections from this. So as you can see the cursor here, this is the intake section, and this consists of a return air damper, a return air pre-filter, a fresh air damper, and the one highlighted in yellow is the fresh air pre-filter. Now this fresh air pre-filter is usually 20 microns, and this return air pre-filter, which is highlighted in blue, is usually 10 microns. Now we'll get into the second section, which is the coil section. The coil section consists of a cooling coil, copper piping, drain tap, and a condenser unit. To see this in the 3D model, as you can see the cursor, this is the coil section. The coil section here consists of a cooling coil, copper piping, a SS drain trap, which I have not shown here, but usually a drain trap is used to collect the condensate of the cooling coil and pour it out of the AHU. And also this consists of a condensing unit, which is usually outside the AHU connected with a copper piping. Now we'll see the third section, which is the blower section. Now the blower section consists of a centrifugal blower, motor, pulley belt arrangement, motor slide rail, anti-vibration isolators, limit switch, light, and fireproof canvas connection, which is a flexible canvas connection. So from this 3D model, as you can see the cursor here, this is the blower section, and this consists of the blower, a centrifugal blower, a motor, a pulley belt arrangement between the motor and the centrifugal blower, a motor slide rail which is used to adjust the distance between the blower and the motor, anti-vibration isolators, so that because this blower might have because of the rotational motion, the blower might have vibration, so this need not be passed to the body of the AHU. Also, the outlet of the blower is connected with the flexible canvas connection. This is also to avoid the vibration going from the blower to the body of the AHU, so that the AHU shouldn't vibrate. So now we come to the final section, which is the supply section. The supply air section consists of a fine filter which is non-washable and a supply damper. So from the image we can see that here is the cursor. This is the supply section. This supply section consists of a fine filter which is usually 5 microns and it is non-washable. So once it gets choked, it needs to be replaced, and a supply air damper to which the supply duct is connected, and this supplies the air to the clean room. Okay, so now that we have come to the end of the 4 sections, I want you to for you to retain this much longer, I want you to type the 3 major learnings that you took from this video and type it in the comment box, and I'll be happy to read your comments and reply to them. So now we'll close this 4 sections, and finally we have come here where I promised you the 3 gifts. So the first gift that I want to give you is I'm inviting you to a free Cleanroom Masterclass, a live masterclass that I do every week for pharma engineers and HVAC engineers. And in this you will learn the 3 backend secrets of a pharma cleanroom and HVAC system in just 90 minutes, and it's totally free of cost. And to register for this, you can type in the Google search bit.ly/Omkar-masterclass. The second gift that I want to give you is a free clean room design guide, and this design guide I've created from my own experience as a pharma clean room engineer, pharma clean room design engineer. And this guide will give you the step-by-step process of designing a pharma clean room, right from the inspection phase till the final designs. And to download this, you can go to bit.ly/Omkar-guide1. And the final gift that I want to give you is I'm inviting you to join my free VIP group on Facebook called the Cleanroom Engineering Mastermind. And this group I've created so that you can network with other pharma engineers in the country, exchange ideas, exchange knowledge with them, and also to be around like-minded people, which facilitates your growth in the industry. And to get access to this, you can go to bit.ly/Omkar-VIP. Also, these 3 links are in the description below. You can go directly click on it and access these bonuses. So now that we have come to end, I want to thank you for watching this video. And if you want more such video and more knowledge on clean rooms, subscribe to this channel and like this video so that you get, whenever I upload, you get it on the first instance. Thank you for watching. This is Omkar signing off. Bye bye.